Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The channel name is Grace Education Point, where I will teach you a lot of things like some how to start your English steps one by one. Okay, so must first of all, in order to entering in that channel, in order to enter that lessons, you must have some things in your phone, in your Android phone. If you are learning from the Android phone, so you must have this kind of information in the sense the application, okay, which I'm gonna to tell you right now. The one thing, let me tell you, that is some vocabularies, some dictionaries which I'm gonna to capture for you all. That is a first of all, you could see on the top, that is written vocabulary. Okay, let me read for you. Say glamorous. Suppose you wanna know the glamour is what. This is glamour. Okay, just type over there glamour. If you can't read, so if you want to know that how to pronounce this one, okay, suppose you want to know that how to pronounce this one, so just it you could see on the downside. Let me do for you. Downside, you could see in the corner side this one. Okay, just touch this one. Let me go back this one. Okay, touch this one, it will tell you the correct how to pronounce. Okay, how to pronounce this one. Yeah, just listen.
Glamour.
Did you listen that?
Glamour.
Yeah, it is saying glamour. So glamour, it will give you the correct informations like alternative forms is what. Let me draw for you. That is first one is alternative forms. Okay, first one is alternative forms, and in alternative forms there is written some informations like grammar us, however the spellings is preferred and most common spellings in the United States. Okay, and the second one is, that is a etymology. Let me draw for you that. Okay, that is a etymology. So you can pronounce this one, not etymology, it will not tell you, it will tell you about the grammar only. So let me read, let me start one more time for you.
Glamour.
Glamour. Okay, it's saying glamour. Okay, so now just let me read for you. That is from Scott's grammar, from the earlier Scott's grammariae, magic enrichment spell. Okay, and that is there is written the Scottish term may either be forms of Greek, the Greek language, that is a grammarion. Let me draw for you. That is a grammarion. Grammate is units of the. So what is a grammarion? It is saying in Greek, that is a grammarion. So it will tell you in Greek language also, it will tell you in English language also. And what will be the alternative forms is what. So it will tell you the alternative form what could be. Okay, okay, so only not only glamorous, just you might be thinking in your mind, this person is telling about only glamour. So let me type one more. Suppose you want to know, special, suppose dish. Okay, dish, dish. Okay, so there is written dish, and abbreviation is dish. Okay, abbreviations of the diffuse. Now it will spell for you.
Dish.
What is?
Dish.
Now you could listen dish. It will tell you dish. So okay, so let me tell you some more things also. Not only that, just you touch this one. This one. Let me draw for you, for your understanding. This one. You understand? This one. When you will touch this one, like this. So it will give you dish details is what. Just add the leather box, bookmarked, what will be done. It will give you the informations, right? Okay, so this kind of application in your phone must be. Okay, if you have this kind of application in your phone, so it will be easy for you. It will be easy for you. Somebody said somebody said speaking English, and as much you will listen, as much you will speak, as much you will clear that one. So as much you will speak, how will you speak? First of all, you listen. First of all, you will listen. If you will listen, so automatically you will follow that. Okay, so this is this kind of application in your phone must be. And some more dictionaries also I will tell you. Some more dictionary. So you could you see on the top there is one voca capture. Okay, could you see? Yeah, vocapture. What is written? Vocapture. So there is a vocapture, and in the corner side you could see 3 horizontal lines. I will draw for you. Vocapture, 3 horizontal lines. Let me touch for you. First is written dictionary, second my vocabs, and the third one is Latiner box. Fourth one is today's review. Then settings. Then you can go to the settings also. Okay, it's up to you. You can contact us. They are saying contact us. You can contact them also. See, there is written you can contact them. So okay. So when you will contact them, it will take you in like this. You can mail them also. Okay, so right now no need to go there. So let me cease for you. Okay, only up to this only I have told you, but in further times I will tell you a lot of things. This is a dictionary. Okay, this is a dictionary. This is my vocabs. This is what will be my vocabs. Whatever the things I have typed, you could see. First time what I typed, like dish, glamour, glamorama, welcome, rapture, dog, elephant, red, dodd. Okay, so a lot of things I have typed over there. So you can read this one also, what I have typed. You could keep remember in your mind also. Okay, up to this information was for you guys. So in further times I will tell you some more videos, and I will tell you what kind of the informations you must have, what kind of applications you must have in your phone. Okay, so in future I will talk with you lot of things. Okay, so right now this is my time. Actually the video is going to be too much long. I never want to be disturbed to anybody else, because your time also is very precious, as I think. Okay, so let's see in the next videos. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice time. Okay.